Now what you want to do with your floats is you've got a little spring in the top, tiny little spring in the actual inlet valve right there. If you hold the frame and move the floats, you can see it's holding there, and then the spring takes up that little bit. You want them flopping around, roll it over until it sits on the spring. You'll know it's sitting on the spring when you can actually just push them down. When it pops back, that's where you want it. And it says between, say, 14 and 15.5 mil. So you can see the top of the float right there is actually right on that 15 mil. But the easiest way to do it, if you don't have a ruler, is that line there on the float should be parallel with the edge of the Carby. So the top of the bowl where it sits on, and this line in the float should be parallel. And you can see that one there, that's fine. I don't need to do anything with that. As long as you make sure the carrier is pushed all the way in, totally pushed in, and this is just sitting where in a spot where it just pops back. It's good, nice and parallel, easy. Here, just put it all back together.